Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for success in any aspect of life: time management and organization. If you're ready to take control of your schedule and boost your productivity, you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into it. First, let's talk about creating effective schedules. The key here is to prioritize your tasks and set realistic goals. Alright, let's start with breaking tasks into smaller steps. This is a fundamental strategy in effective time management. When you have a large project or task ahead, it can be overwhelming to tackle it all at once. If you're working on a research paper, instead of staring at a blank document, break it down. First, outline your main sections, then focus on individual paragraphs, and finally, hone in on specific points. By breaking it into smaller, more manageable steps, you make progress more achievable and reduce the stress associated with tackling a massive project. Now let's talk about setting specific time blocks. Time is a precious resource, and allocating it wisely is crucial for productivity. Rather than working aimlessly, assigning specific time blocks to tasks enhances focus and efficiency. Consider using the Pomodoro technique, where you work intensely for, say, 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle a few times and then take a longer break. This focused approach helps maintain concentration during work periods and prevents burnout. For example, if you have a report to write, dedicate the first hour to research, the next hour to outlining, and so on. This ensures you give each aspect the attention it deserves without feeling rushed. Let's discuss the importance of incorporating breaks. Contrary to the belief that constant work leads to more productivity, breaks are essential for maintaining mental clarity and preventing burnout. Imagine you're studying for exams. Instead of cramming for hours on end, schedule short breaks between study sessions. Use this time to stretch, take a walk, or even do something enjoyable. This not only rejuvenates your mind, but also enhances long term retention. By incorporating breaks, you're allowing your brain to recharge, which ultimately leads to better focus and efficiency when you return to the task. Remember, effective time management isn't just about squeezing more work into your day. It's about optimizing your efforts for better results. Breaking tasks into smaller steps, setting specific time blocks, and incorporating breaks are powerful strategies that can make significant difference in your overall productivity and well-being. By breaking your day into manageable chunks, you not only stay organized but also ensure you're making progress on your most important priorities. Now let's explore some powerful time management tools and apps that can revolutionize the way you plan your day. Let's talk about Todoist. This is a fantastic task management tool that helps you keep track of your to-do list in a simple and organized manner. You can assign priority level to tasks, ensuring you focus on what matters most. This feature is excellent for highlighting urgent deadlines or high priority items. Next, let's talk about Trello. This visual collaboration tool is like a digital whiteboard, making it easy to organize and prioritize tasks in a visually appealing way. It uses boards and lists to help you visualize your projects. Each task is represented by a card that you can move between different lists, from to do to done. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of Google Calendar. It's more than just a calendar, it's a powerful time management tool that can transform the way you plan your days. It allows you to schedule events, set reminders, and even create goals. It integrates seamlessly with other Google services, making it a comprehensive solution. These tools can act as your digital assistant, sending reminders, helping you collaborate with others and keeping all your tasks in one accessible place. Moving on to organizational tips for both school and personal life. It's all about creating an environment that supports focus and productivity. First in our list is the importance of decluttering. A cluttered environment can lead to a cluttered mind, making it challenging to focus and be productive. Consider your workspace, whether it's your desk or digital workspace. Remove unnecessary items, organize papers, and clear away digital clutter. This simple act can create a more conducive environment for productivity. Think about your computer and smartphone. Delete unused apps, organize your files into folders, and clear your desktop. This not only makes it easier to find what you need, but also enhances the overall efficiency of your digital space. Next, let's talk about the importance of creating dedicated workspaces. Having a designated area for specific activities can significantly impact your efficiency and concentration. If possible, designate a specific area in your home as your workspace. It could be a corner of a room or a separate home office. Having a dedicated space helps signal to your brain that it's time to work when you are in that area. For students, creating a dedicated study space is crucial. It could be a quiet corner in the library or a specific desk at home. This separates your study environment from your relaxation spaces, fostering a more focused mindset. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of utilizing to-do lists. A to-do list is a powerful tool for organizing your tasks and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. List out tasks in order of priority, and as you complete them, check them off. This gives you a visual sense of accomplishment and helps you stay on track throughout the day. For larger projects, break them down into smaller, manageable tasks on your to-do list. This makes the project less overwhelming and helps you track progress step by step. A clean, organized space can do wonders for your concentration. And by setting clear goals with to-do lists, you'll always know what needs to be tackled next. Thanks for joining me today. Stay organized, manage your time wisely, and make every moment count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more content.